Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny and I'm here with my 6-year-old. He wasn't in the vlog yesterday because he was busy playing on the laptop. You know how kids get with electronics. So now we are here and he wants to be a superhero too. What do you want me to do to you?
Captain America.
He wants me to turn him into Captain America. So I don't have a magic wand, but I do have makeup. So let's see if we can give him what he wants. The Spider-Man I did yesterday turned out really well. And the... You hear my kids arguing? This is every day. It never changes. They argue, they fight like cats and dogs. And with the schools not being open, it's even worse because they don't get along. Can you get that charger for me? They don't get along. And so they're forced to spend all day with each other. And when you have that, especially boys that are all close in age, they're going to fight. So if you hear me holler at them, don't think much of it because I'm just trying to keep them from killing each other or ending up in the hospital because I'm not going to no ERs right now. And I always tell my kids just because if you break a bone, I'm fixing it here because I ain't going to no ER. The same thing for the need stitches. I'm going to fix them at home because I'm not going. They know I'm just playing, but it's still, I don't like going to the hospitals right now. I'm sure there's a lot of people that agree with that. So we are going to jump in and do Captain America. I do have blue. So I'm going to go with the blue. Let's see. The blue makeup crayon, the white makeup crayon, and then I'm going to fill in the red, probably with the lipstick again. So it's really cool that you can do, all the makeup that I need to do with what I bought. I've done so many different looks with just these that, I think I've got my money's worth. I think I spent maybe a total of like $20 on all this stuff. And I've done, let's see, we did the cat, we did the angel, we did the princess, the Joker, the Spider-Man. I'm getting ready to do Captain America. I'm sure there's a few others that I'm thinking about doing.
And the vampire.
The vampire. So I've done 7 looks for $20. I mean,
yeah.
What more could what more could you ask for? So I think I've got pretty much, my money's worth. So now we're gonna do this one, and then I'm still trying to think of some to do with my other kids. I'm not doing a ghost on my daughter, or not about a zombie, but I think the vampire and the zombies are pretty close. So I don't know. We'll see what I decide to do. We'll see what I decide to put on her. Or one of the other kids. Maybe I'll make her face look like a big old giant pumpkin. But I don't have an orange. Although I'm sure I can find orange. So, to get this going, can you come stand closer for me? And this little boy has the prettiest blue eyes, so it'll make them pop even more. I wish my camera was better. I have one coming. I promise. I do have one coming. It's just not here yet. Everything's taking forever right now. Oh, I just got blue crayon on your nose when I touched your nose and moved the sparkle. It's okay. Okay, so for Liam, I did the Spider-Man, and I came down here on his nose, and I went up. For you, though, I'm going to come out underneath your nose and go up, okay? Okay, so, let's see. It might tickle just a little, but you'll be okay. You're a good boy, so. Okay, so I'm going to give him the whole makeup look here. Get your nose. I gotta color your nose blue. Oh no. You look like a puppy with a blue nose. This is one of the sweetest kids I have, aren't you? He's a very, very, very sweet boy. Bring out the blue in your eyes, buddy. You are a sweet, sweet baby. And you like Captain America, don't you?
Yeah.
And this isn't dark blue just because I don't have dark blue at the moment. I do, but it's eyeshadow. So, I'm just going to do this crayon. I'm sure you hear them in there fighting. Sounds like they're in there trying to kill each other, don't it? They probably are. They probably are. Okay, I'm gonna do this right here. I'm gonna put a circle up here, so that way it doesn't. No, I don't color around it, because that's gonna be your Captain America symbol. Okay. Just did an outline, and then we're gonna do an outline for your eyes too. Are you having fun with your mom drawing on your face? Yeah, you are? You're okay with mom drawing on your face? Most kids be like, no. Alright, let's see here. Alright. Make him Captain America here. My kids are all real into superheroes, so. This is definitely going to be fun. He's going to have a blue face. Are you going to have a blue face, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just crayon, right? It'll come off. Alright.
Feels weird.
It feels weird, does it really? That's okay. Let's see here. I know you hear them kids in the background. They're loud and hyper. I told them to go through homework. Of course, that doesn't ever work, does it? I told them to see what all they had left to do. But yeah, that's a lost cause. Telling a kid to do homework is about like telling them to pick up dog poop. They don't want to do either one of those, do they? Getting this all over me. It's supposed to be on you, not me. Okay, can you turn your head this way? Thank you. Just so that way I can get your face here without hurting you. Don't want to hurt you. It's not my intention. So he is doing the Captain America look. And this is so much cheaper than buying those plastic masks that are all over the house. Because then you're stuck dealing with that mess. This way, I'm not having to deal with those plastic masks. I mean, I guess it's good for right now because of the pandemic going on. Plastic masks are probably better. But, you know, for those that just, you know, say you're going to some place where you know everybody and it's not that bad, or a Halloween party with friends or something, this would be so much easier. Because you're not having to deal with that mask that falls off and doesn't stay on the right way. And this way you can actually do half of their face in the regular mask. And then when you put a face mask on them, it'll just look like a shield. It'll look really cool, won't it, Jace? Let's see. And here comes another inviter.
Does she do look?
He looks funny, doesn't he?
Yeah, she does look like.
Look like what?
The person you were drawing.
Captain America?
Yeah.
That's what we're going for. That is what we're going for, aren't we? Alright. I have such awesome kids for letting me color them. What? In a little bit. You need to go. Did you check and make sure all your homework was done?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay, well, give me a few minutes. Why don't you go find you something to eat?
I'm already in something.
Okay, well, we don't eat and play on the electronics at the same time.
Okay, after I eat.
Yeah, let me get this vlog done, please. My kids for you. They never quit. Alright, let's see here. Do you want to see what it looks like? You can look there. Look. Don't you look so cute?
It looks like a bat.
You look like a bat?
It looks like a bat.
It's a mask. Isn't it cool? It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the rest of this going. Let's see. I'm trying to remember.
Star.
You want a star or you want the A?
The A.
The A? Okay. I'm gonna do the outline with my pen here. I'm just gonna do an outline of the A, okay? And then I'll go in and fill it in with white, and then we'll color it in with red. Okay, sound cool? Okay. And this is just so that way I have a straighter edge to work with here. I've never drawn an A on a kid before. I'm drawing on my son's face. Alright. Okay, there you go. You see what it looks like? You see the A? There's the A. And then we're going to fill it in with the white. Now, sure, you want the A to be red, or do you want the A to be white? Because the other color is going to be red, so probably ought to do the A red. We'll do the red after the white. Go around here. Color this in. Alright. Kids, they love to play with makeup. You look so cute. You are such a cute kid. Are you such a cutie pie? Alright, let's see. Okay, stop wiggling. You're wiggling. You're wiggling and it's making it hard to do a straight line. You're wiggling, you're wiggling. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle bug. Stop wiggling. Okay, there's the A. There's the A. Okay, now let's do your eyes, okay? Okay, we'll do the outline on this one. Alright. Now let's see here. Go right here and go for. Oh, it's not gonna show up, is it? A star? I was gonna do a star. Let's see. It's not gonna show up though.
The one and the A.
The A? Okay, let's see. Come on, come over here and give you a star. Okay. Now, let's do the red, that red and the A. Okay, so instead of using lipstick on you, I'm just going to use this red crayon, okay? Does that work for you?
Mhm.
It looks pink, but it'll be okay. You'll get to wipe it off after the thumbnail, okay? You're so cute. Alright, let's see here. Hold on, we'll go over it with a little bit of red. I have this red. My phone's going off again. That's not red enough. Doesn't it look cool? Here, come here. Let's get the red on. Because that looks more pink. I'd rather it look red. There we go. We just colored it. Finish coloring it. There we go. Now look at that. There is your Captain America look for this adorable little boy. You look so good, don't you? You like it? Do you like it? Think you could pass it off? I think he looks so cute. I think he looks adorable. It's not as dark of a blue, but I don't have anything darker.
Yeah.
So, but I still think it looks good. You know, and then when they wear their face mask over their nose and their mouth, you'll still be able to see, you know, his mask. You're not covering all of it. You're not covering it. You're just covering the nose to the ears. So, hey, you'll still be able to see his his makeup. So it looks really, really, really good. You like that? I think it looks so cool. Why don't you go show your brothers? Go scare them. So that is the tutorial on how to do Captain America makeup. Now, I know, it's hard with your kids having to wear face masks and face coverings and stuff, but if you want to keep it simple without having to, buy those, like those big head masks and stuff for Halloween, then these are just simple ideas that don't cost much. Um, like I said, I'm using stuff that I already had. I didn't go out and buy anything else for these, this look. It's what I've already had to do these vlogs with. So it all came from that one, just the one, tutorial that I'm doing with. Now he's got a Batman shirt on, Captain America makeup, but I'm trying to make it to where it doesn't seem so overwhelming because, there's nothing wrong with kids getting free candy. There's nothing wrong with them dressing up for Halloween. Even if you just give them candy from home and you don't necessarily let them go out trick-or-treating to keep them safe, that's totally up to you. But, at least this way they can still have some fun and it makes Halloween worth it because Halloween's a pretty good holiday if you do it the right way. You don't have to spend a fortune. You don't have to spend a ton. You don't have to do crazy stuff. You just, make it fun. Make it light. Make it fun. Let the kids dress up and look silly and take pictures, and they're trying to kill each other right now. What are you doing? Okay, well, you need to sit down and behave, please. So, we are going to say our goodbyes, and I'm still waiting on more information on that brand I became an ambassador for. So once I get more information on that, I will let you guys know. I'm trying to get some discount codes for you guys. So I will do a whole vlog on that. I'm also waiting for the stuff that I ordered from there to get here. So that way I can show you what you get. So hopefully by then I'll also have my other camera and things will look better. So I might do a couple more Halloween vlogs. I know I'm going to do a pumpkin pie vlog, but I'm going to do it from my phone in my kitchen. And that'll probably be tomorrow or Saturday. I'm not for sure yet. It just depends on how the days go. But we will take care of it. You'll get to see my homemade pumpkin pies. I'm probably going to make 2 of them. And I guess that's it for now. So we will see you guys later. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Bye.
If you like these looks, on little kids. They're not bad. They're, like I said, inexpensive and fun. Even just dress up days, kids want to be superheroes for a day. It's a good way to keep them, motivated and active. So, we hope you guys have a good day, and we will see you all in our next vlog.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.